I know what you guys are gonna say. You're gonna say, man, bro, you super late. But it wasn't all my fault. But today, we're gonna review the Yeezy 350 V2 Dazzling Blue. And we're gonna have a little story time right after this.
She want that Birkin. On the gram, she twerking. Get your feelings hurt for lurking. That fat for certain. Let me see you poke it out. Let me see it. Let me see it. Let me see what that's about. Let me see it. Let me see it. Her main goal.
Welcome back, guys. Appreciate you stopping by through the channel. Make sure you hit that like, subscribe, and bell icon so when I drop new notifications, you will be the first to know. It's your boy Moises, of course, and become part of the La Familia gang by hitting that bell icon, hitting that subscribe button, and hitting that like button. So today, we're gonna review the 350 V2 Dazzling Blue, and we're gonna have a little story time while we do the unboxing. So to start off, we have the 350 on the top. Have your SKU size 11. On this side you have the beautiful Boost, and on the other side you have the Yeezy 350 made by Adidas, and on this side you have nothing. So let's get into the story time, because it's not my fault why this is so late and why I got this pair so late. So of course, when the shoes were coming out, I entered my raffle in on confirm, just like everybody else. I didn't hit. Only shoes I hit was with the Oreos. So if you haven't seen that video, make sure you go check that video out. And make sure you check out my latest video that I dropped yesterday. So back to the story. So I didn't get the shoes on confirm as expected. I hardly ever hit on confirm. So what did I do? I went on StockX immediately and caught me a pair. I think I paid $304 before they add all their stupid tax on, and you know it goes up like $60 extra. I think it's so ridiculous. But made the purchase, hype, waiting. A week go by. Get the your package been sent to StockX for verification, blah 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 blah. Waiting another week. So it was like the second, third week of March. I'm like, dang bro, I still don't have my package. What's going on? So I hit up StockX. I'm like, hey, I ordered these shoes on February 26th, and it was sent to you guys' warehouse for verification. I haven't heard anything back. So of course you gotta go through the chat, blah blah blah. So they come back and they say, hey, we're gonna find your package. It might have got lost at the warehouse. We're gonna find your package. We're gonna notify you in 2 to 3 business days and send your package out right away. So I said, okay, cool. I need to be compensated for my inconvenience because it's been a very long time and you guys are messing me up now. So they give me this little $20 discount code, but everybody knows with StockX fees that does absolutely nothing. That doesn't even cover the tax that they charge for the shoe. So I wasn't really happy or thrilled about that. So 2 to 3 business days go by, nothing. So I hit them back up. Where's my shoe? Gotta go through the whole process again. So now they tell me, we lost your shoe at our warehouse. We're so sorry for the inconvenience, but we can't find your shoe. How, bro? How do you lose my package at your warehouse? So they refund me my money. So I went on Flight Club, purchased the same shoe that ended up being more, but I really want the shoe, so I bite the bullet. Now Flight Club, you gotta wait for their verification process. Gotta wait for them to get the shoe. Gotta wait for them to send you back the shoe. So long story short, March 31st, I get my Yeezy Dazzling Blues. I am thrilled. Hope you guys got your pair and you're thrilled, but StockX screwed me very badly. You did, guys. You did. But it's okay. because I still rock with you. Because you guys still have everything that I can cop when I can't cop it for retail. But that little $20 discount, not enough, buddy. It's not enough. So let's get into the breakdown of the shoe. So on the bottom of the sole, of course, you have your black and white with the stripes going across the white part. Then moving up, you have that beautiful boost sole that makes the shoe very comfortable. Then going up from that, you have your beautiful blue stripe going across that say Sply 350 with the black prime knit with the royal blue speckles peeking through the prime knit. Oh my god! And then going up, you have your black laces. These were released on February 26th. Retail price was $230. $10 up from what it used to be for 350s. But like I said, guys, I ended up paying a lot more than that, unfortunately. So as far as sizing goes, guys, as you already know, the 350 V2 size up a half a size. So my true to size is a 10.5. I got these in 11 and these fit perfect. Now, one thing I do want to say is I don't know if my foot is growing or if the recycled material makes the prime knit a little bit snugger, but the 11s have been fitting a little bit snugger on my foot. If snugger is a word, not sure, but we're gonna use it today. But it has been fitting more snug on my foot than I can remember. So I actually could go up to 11.5. So if I do end up copping another pair of zebras, I probably will go up to 11.5, and then I'll do a side-by-side comparison so you can see how my foot fits in 11 into 11.5. And then you guys can make your judgment if you need to go up a half a size or a full size. That's my story time. Let me know what you guys think. Did you cop the Yeezy Dazzling Blues? Did you pass on them? If you passed on them, did you regret passing on them? Or are you just happy with just passing on them? Are you tired of the 350 wave? Are you ready for new silhouettes and new lineups? Let me know, guys. I'd love to get your feedback. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I will holler at y'all on the next one.
She want that Birkin. On the gram, she twerking. Get your feelings hurt for lurking. That fat for certain. Let me see you poke it up. Let me see. Let me see what that's about. Let me see.